Welcome to Manley's Belvidere Ford, your premier destination for purchasing a vehicle. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles in inventory, and comes equipped with Sirius XM satellite radio, roof rack, keyless entry, heated front seats, rear spoiler, steering wheel controls, rear view camera, electronic stability control, parking sensors, tire pressure monitoring system, and has less than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Since 1883, the Manley name brand has been proudly serving our community. As the world's second oldest Ford dealer, we are locally owned and community focused. We pride ourselves on outstanding customer service. We're a little different and a whole lot better. So come visit us here at Manley Belvidere Ford. You'll be glad you did. We're located at 1800 North State Street in Belvidere.